Videoloft is a cloud video management system that brings multiple security systems into one place, so you can view everything through a single pane of glass. All you need to do is connect a Videoloft cloud adapter to the same network as your security system. You'll then be able to view your camera footage from the Videoloft app, web browser, or a local monitor connected to the cloud adapter. When you first log into Videoloft, you are taken to your camera live feeds. You can filter your selection by selecting the cloud adapters or sites you want to see, or by the status of the camera or tag. On the camera grid page, you can customize your view by adding the camera names or going full screen. To see an individual camera in more detail, you can click into it. You can go full screen here too and zoom in around the video. You can also take a snapshot of the live feed if something happens and you want to save an image. If you've got a fisheye camera, you can de-warp the video here and move around with the 360 view using your mouse. And if your camera is a pan, tilt and zoom camera, you can control it here too. Back on the live page, there are a couple of options for saving views to come back to. First, there is layouts. Here you can create a custom layout by dragging and dropping cameras and resizing them. In presentation mode, you can create a sequence that runs through on repeat, which will be useful if you're monitoring lots of locations or groups of cameras at once. You might want to see all of your cameras with a certain tag first, then a layout you've created, then all of your cameras at a specific location. Just choose the interval between each view and save or start. In events, you'll see all of your motion events recorded across your cameras in reverse chronological order. You can narrow this down by selecting specific cameras, dates and times, or filtering by analytics. You'll see a preview of the event when you hover over it, then you can click in to watch it in full. Here you can zoom into the video, take a snapshot, download the video, or jump to this event in playback. In playback, you can look at a specific time across multiple cameras at once. You can expand or narrow down the time frame, change the playback speed, take a snapshot, or make a clip for downloading. The dashboard is where you go to install or uninstall cameras from your account. You can easily add cameras to your existing cloud adapters, or install new cloud adapters if you're expanding Videoloft to other locations. One of the key benefits of bringing legacy security systems into Videoloft is that you can remotely control the camera settings all from one place. You can change settings for single cameras or multiple cameras at once. There is so much you can control. You can rename your cameras and apply tags, change their recording settings, configure detection zones, and set alerting preferences and schedules. With Videoloft, you can add an unlimited number of users to view your cameras. Just head to Manage, then Additional Users. When adding a new user, you can control which cameras they have access to and what level of access they have. Everything we've shown you so far comes as standard as part of the core Videoloft platform, but we also have some analytics features that you can choose as add-ons for specific cameras. First up is license plate recognition. With Videoloft, you can turn a standard CCTV camera into an LPR camera. On the LPR dashboard, you'll see all plates detected across your cameras. You can narrow down the list by camera, date or time, or start by searching for a specific make, model, or color. You click into an individual plate to watch the associated video and see all of the times that plate has been detected. You can also manage the detection zone for this specific camera, which can also be configured through the settings menu. Just like LPR, Videoloft can add people counting functionality to standard security cameras. In the people counting dashboard, you'll see a summary data for each of your people counting cameras, and you can configure the count line, which you can also do through the settings menu. Once you click into a camera, you can see the people counts by day, and clicking into a day takes you to an hourly or 15-minute interval view. Today we've given you a tour of the Videoloft web-based VMS, However, all of the key functionality is also available on the Videoloft app for on-the-go monitoring.